Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to fix Oppo mobile keyboard problem. Friends, you have Oppo mobile keyboard problem. So when how to fix keyboard problem one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your Oppo mobile you are not operating your keyboard. How to fix keyboard problem? Open your phone setting, open your phone, app management setting, open your phone app list setting and wait here. Scroll down here, tap on Gboard setting, storage setting, clear cache and clear data your Gboard. Your keyboard problem will solve. But friends, your photo will remove from your keyboard. Again you will have to add photo on your keyboard. Friends, you can check your keyboard photo will change, keyboard photo will remove. And friends, if you click here keyboard setting, so you can use your keyboard setting. Click here language, you want to use your keyboard language, you can add language, which language you want to use. You can add your keyboard language and you can use it. Keyboard theme, your photo will remove. Again you want to add photo on keyboard, click here my theme, select your photo. After select photo, adjust your photo. Next option, increase brightness. Done option, apply option. Keyboard photo will save in Oppo mobile. Keyboard glide tapping you want to use, so you can enable glide tapping, you can use it. Keyboard voice tapping you want to remove, so you can remove keyboard voice tapping. So friends, you cannot use keyboard voice tapping icon will remove. Again you want to show keyboard voice tapping icon, click here, enable your keyboard voice tapping and you can use your keyboard voice typing. Oppo mobile. Like that friends, you can set up your keyboard. One hand mode keyboard you want to use, you can use one hand mode keyboard. You want to use your floating keyboard, so you can use your floating keyboard. And you want to set your default theme, so you can set your default theme. Friends, again you have any problem, open your phone app management setting, clear data your Gboard and your problem will solve. And you have your Gboard update setting, so update your Gboard, your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.